Imagine standing under a vast, twinkling night sky, each star a tiny pinprick of light in a dark, endless canvas. It's almost as if the universe is whispering a secret, one that we've been trying to decipher for ages. Are we alone in this vast expanse? Or is there life out there, perhaps staring back at us, wondering the same? Today, let's embark on a journey together to explore how scientists are hunting for extraterrestrial life, using methods that blend the magic of imagination with the rigors of science. When I was a kid, I used to lay on the grassy hill behind my house, staring up at the stars. I would imagine all sorts of fantastic creatures living on distant worlds, each with their own stories and adventures. That childhood wonder never quite left me, and I believe that same sense of curiosity drives scientists today as they peer into the cosmos, asking what's out there. Let's start our exploration right here on Earth, where the conditions for life as we know it, water, a decent temperature, and the right mix of gases, set the stage for our own existence. But what if life doesn't need the same ingredients? What if it can thrive in the most unexpected places? Scientists have found life in the strangest corners of our planet, deep in the ocean trenches where sunlight never reaches, in boiling hot springs filled with toxic chemicals, and even under the barren ice of Antarctica. These discoveries have shifted our perspective. If life can exist in such extreme conditions here, then what does that say about the possibilities beyond Earth? It's like finding a rare flower blooming in the harshest desert and realizing that life, in its resilience and wonder, might not be as fragile or as limited as we once thought. One of the most fascinating places scientists are focusing on is Mars. Mars has always captured our imaginations. It's the backdrop for countless science fiction stories, and now it's a real target for our search for life. Rovers like Perseverance are rolling across its dusty surface, equipped with cameras and instruments, listening for whispers of past microbial life in the rocks and soil. Imagine being able to scoop up a handful of Martian dirt and find evidence that something once lived there. It's like reading the first chapter of a book about a Martian ecosystem, long gone but not forgotten. But Mars is just the beginning. Beyond it, there are moons of Jupiter and Saturn that pique our interest. Take Europa, for instance. This moon, covered in a thick shell of ice, might have a vast ocean beneath its frozen crust. The idea here is simple yet profound. Where there's water, there might be life. Scientists dream of sending probes to drill through the ice to see if anything swims in those alien waters. It's a thrilling thought, exploring a new ocean where no one has ever gone before. Then there's Titan, Saturn's largest moon, with its thick, hazy atmosphere and rivers of liquid methane. While it sounds inhospitable to us, it's a tantalizing possibility that life could exist in forms unimaginable to us. Think about it. Life that breathes a different air and swims in lakes of natural gas. It's an invitation to expand our imagination and reconsider what it means to be alive. Now, let's not forget the role of technology in this grand quest. Telescopes, both on the ground and orbiting above us, act like giant eyes peering deep into space. They search for exoplanets, planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. It's like looking for needles in a cosmic haystack. Yet we've discovered thousands of these distant worlds, some in the so-called habitable zone, where conditions might just be right for life to flourish. Imagine a planet where alien plants sway under a foreign sun, where rivers cut through landscapes unknown to us. There's another captivating method that scientists use: listening to the stars. SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, involves scanning the skies for signals that might be sent by intelligent life. Picture it as a cosmic radio station, listening to the universe's background noise, hoping to catch a melody or message amidst the static. It's a bit like waiting for a phone call from across the galaxy, a conversation that could change everything we know about our place in the cosmos. As we journey together through these possibilities, it's important to hold a sense of humility. Our search for extraterrestrial life is not just about the science and technology. It's also about the human spirit's hunger for connection and understanding. Asking whether we are alone touches on profound questions about identity and purpose. Are we a solitary spark in the universe's vast darkness, or part of a greater cosmic community? As we wrap up our exploration, let's bring our gaze back to Earth. We may find that the answer to our search could also lie in the way we view our own planet. The search for life beyond our world reminds us of the preciousness of life here. It urges us to cherish and protect it, fostering a sense of responsibility to preserve this fragile blue dot we call home. So as you look up at the stars tonight, let your mind wander and wonder. Picture those distant worlds and imagine the possibilities that await us. For in the grand theater of the universe, we are but one act, but one filled with a yearning to reach beyond, to listen, to discover, and perhaps one day to say hello.